Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World videos. We are learning PowerPoint advanced tips and tricks and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for this session is pictures and smart arts. In this session we learn that how do we arrange the pictures with the help of the smart arts. Sometimes we have a lot of images and we want to arrange them on our slide. If we use the smart art for doing or for arranging the pictures, we can do that in minutes. So I'll guide you in this session that how you can arrange the pictures according to your slides and how you can do it with the help of the smart art very quickly. This is one of the example. We have 6 pictures here. Size of all the pictures are equal and whatever heading we have written, everything is done with the help of the smart art. And it will take just a few seconds to do that. Let me show you how we can do this. First of all, I'll insert a new slide here. Now suppose I want to add some pictures here. I can do it from here also, insert the picture, and I can do that with the help of the insert tab as well. I can click on the insert tab, then I'll click on pictures. I'll get a few options here. Do we have some picture? Let me check. Okay, we have a few sample pictures here. Like suppose I want to select a few pictures. I have selected all of them and I'll click on insert. So I have inserted a few pictures here now. I'll right click on them. After inserting them, I need to resize them one after the other. Like I need to scroll it down, I'll resize that, and after that, first of all, let me select a single image first and I'll be reducing the size like this, and after that I'll be placing it somewhere. After that I'll be choosing the second picture and then I'll be reducing the size, and then I'll be putting this picture somewhere in the slide. Then I'll be selecting the next one. So this is one of the way by which we are arranging the pictures on the slide. And the alternate way out is, let me select all of them, I'll delete these images. What I'll do is, I'll insert the smart art here. Insert smart art. I'll have a lot of options available here. All, list, process, relationship. I'll go for this option, picture. I click here and there are certain options available, like how you can arrange a few pictures here. Now let's say if I select this option, captioned pictures, and I'll click on OK. I have got 3 objects here. Now I'll click on this icon, I'll select this image and click on insert. This is the picture I have inserted. In the text I'll mention the name here, say flower. Similarly I'll select another picture here, then I'll write here dessert. In the similar way the size of the picture would be the same, and after that we can describe the text. You have 2 arrows here. Once you click here on the arrow, it gives you the option for writing the text, like you have the option to write 2 text here. Let's say if we want to remove this, we just have got one option of writing the text. And then here too, we don't want to have 2 options. Here you can write dessert, and now the third image, You keep on pressing enter and you will be getting the multiple options to insert the images. How many images you want to insert here? We are creating the tabs, we are creating the point here on the left hand side for typing the text, and we are getting the more option to arrange the pictures. You can click here on the icon, you can insert the picture, then once again you keep on doing that. And suppose I want to insert only 4 pictures, then keep removing them. You can remove that from here also. On the left hand side you will delete the points that we have created. So we have just got 4 images here. You can write here fish or whatever diagram it is. Then we can write here penguins, flower. Alright, so this is the way we can arrange the pictures. Now if you want, you can change the style also. Like this is one of the style where we have arranged the pictures and we have written the name on the top of them. And this is the second way, that how you can frame your pictures and you can write the names. Then you do have multiple options, like once you select this you have 2 options available under the smart art: the design and the format. So under the design you have another options also. You can try to arrange your pictures in a different way. This is the another way. Then you can keep on browsing and you can check what are the all alternatives you have for arranging your pictures. So there are some good examples by which you can arrange your pictures. You can create the diagrams also, like ascending picture, ascent. We're showing you the example here. If you have some kind of representation where you are showing the growth or you are showing the arrow, you can select this option as well. So you can browse your mouse and you can see that what all options are available for you. There are certain interesting designs also. If you want to write some description, then you can vertical picture list also you can select. This can also do. Then these are some basic designs by which you can try to arrange your pictures very quickly. The other alternatives would be that you have some pictures, like as we have the pictures. Suppose we have already inserted 3 or 4 pictures here, and after that we want to arrange them. So you need to select all the pictures, and after that you need to go to the alignment options, that you want to align them, left line, right line, top line, and after that making them of the same size. So you have to do all that task manually. But if you are using these smart arts, then you can arrange it very quickly. So this is the smartest way to use the smart art and arrange your pictures in a quick way. I hope this video will help you to arrange your pictures very quickly. So thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.